starving since days. And she needs to be kept in a box with a light bulb, which will raise the temperature to 80 to 90 degrees. Yeah, I don't know if he will survive because he looks very weak to me, but we will try. We bought all the equipment and went home and put her in the box. She started feeling much better after we kept her warm and when she wasn't wet anymore and turned fluffy. He didn't like to be in the box, so I took her out. I kept her in my hand all the time, and in my other hand I had this lamp to keep her warm. She looked so different and actually started singing. It was an amazing transformation. We decided to go with her to the beach because there's a family of chickens. We tried it, but she didn't like them at all, and they didn't like her. So we decided to keep her, and yeah, we already loved her on the second day. She is like an alarm clock. She always wakes up and she starts singing, and she loves to get outside, and she is checking out everything and running around and chasing butterflies. When it gets dark, when the sun sets, then she wants inside, and she goes up on my shoulder. She loves all the tropical fruits, mango and papaya, bananas, but she also eats veggies like cucumber and tomatoes, zucchini. She is very affectionate and very sensitive, and she loves to cuddle a lot, and yeah, she's very lovely. She shows her love when she comes on my shoulder and she wants to cuddle with me in the evening. She has changed my life. Like, she makes me happy every day, even if I'm sad or if I'm worried, because she's always so happy and always very cheerful. So I really love to be with her, and she makes me very happy.